How to download VLC media player in laptop or PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can download VLC media player in either laptop or PC. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to download the VLC player in your laptop or PC, it's very simple. Now this depends upon, of course, whether you have got Windows or Mac. If you're using for Windows, you can simply go to VLC player for Windows and you can download the VLC player for Windows application. And if you're using macOS, you can type in VLC for Mac and you can download the VLC for macOS client. It will begin downloading, of course. After a couple of seconds, it will begin downloading. You simply have to double click the file and copy into the applications folder if you're using on macOS, right? So here you can see I've downloaded the DMG file. I can double click it like this and I can simply drag this VLC to the applications folder and I'll be able to install it on my macOS. If you're using Windows, you can double click the exe file and you can follow the upstream instructions. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.